All right, so anyway, we bought this patio furniture, and I just power washed it all. And look, you can see it's already getting just decimated. Now I just cleaned this one here, and I didn't power wash it. I used, believe it or not, I used this Tilex, so it worked pretty good. Here's the chair I just did. Looks good. Look at the back, nice and clean. It only takes a couple seconds. This is what it looks like right here. Look at these. They're just a total mess. So all I did was squirt the Tilex on it, waited about 3 or 4 minutes, and then I just rinsed it off with a hose. All right, I'm going to show you the whole process. I'm going to put a mask on. I got goggles. I don't want to breathe it. You see it works fast. So you give it a little bit of time, right? All right, let's see how we did. You see a couple of spots. I'm going to hit them. Take it up here. It's pretty good. Let's give it one more spray. All right, looks pretty good. There's a couple spots here. Here we go. Give it a couple seconds, work its way in. But you can see it works really fast. Really fast. As you can see, these are just covered in this mold. And you know, guests don't want to be sitting on something like that, right? And this is only within a month it got this moldy. So it's pretty, sucks. So I'll show you the difference over here. So as we're going over, you're going to see, like, here's the back of this one. Look at it. It's just a mess. Haven't done that one yet. Haven't done this one. Right, look at that. All right, this is the one I did. Took about 4 minutes. Look how clean it is. And check these out. All these bad boys, nice and clean. So it works. Now we just have to see if it did anything to the fabric. Hopefully not. So that's one way that you can clean your patio furniture if you get mold on it, like I've been. So yeah, check it out. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos. Peace out.